In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your CNAME so that way anytime you or someone on your team makes an outgoing call to a potential customer or a customer, your business name is displayed on the caller ID. So when you log into your account, we're going to go down to the lower left of the screen and click on settings. From here, we're going to click on phone numbers. And then on the top sub navigation bar, we're going to click on Trust Center. In Trust Center, we're going to click on CNAME. And then this shows you it's display your business name to customers. So we're going to start the registration process by clicking the blue start registration button. And then we're going to start with our business details. So we're going to have our legal business name, business type, business registration ID type. We're going to input our EIN number, business industry, select your business industry from the dropdown, input our business email, our website URL, and then select the business region of operations, click continue. Then we're going to select the country that we provide our services in, the state, our business address, city, zip code, click continue. Then we're going to type in the first and last name of the authorized representative, as well as the email and phone number, and then the job position, click continue. Then we're going to input the CNAME display name. So this is how you want your name displayed on the caller ID anytime you make outgoing calls. So we're going to type in Rocky Pass Media. I certify that the associated business profile is the originator of the phone calls and certify that the display name represents my business. So we're going to check that and then click the blue submit button. Once this is done, it shows that our CNAME is now in the process of being reviewed. So you will get a notification once this is complete, but that is how you set up your CNAME within your account.